Ooh. Trackhawk didn't have a chance. Truck didn't stand a chance. Somebody will sleep at the tree. The fit is kind of thick.
Moves on to round number 3. He has the starting line advantage.
I'm on my toes with God in my corner. Speaking of the corner, other corner, my opponent. Ring the bell, I bring him hella heaven, whatever he wanted. I'm a blessing to this rap profession, respected regardless. Even different opinions. Long as fishes are swimming, long as eagles are flying, long as Donald Trump lying. I'm plugged in like appliance. I'm coming back, Michael Myers. I got it, I can't deny it. I got it, I can't deny it. I'm talking shit to the pilot. I might just learn how to fly it. Tell promoters to cut me a check, please. Walk out with a hefty. Been minding my business. They finally respect me. I'm fighting the hottest nigga. I'm turning them next week. I'm barely right. Love and the loyalty. I ain't find it in this industry. I'm surrounded by family before money came around. Head in the clouds, feet planted on the ground. Now it's better living. I got granted for my town. I don't see no limits to this shit. I need the ground. He can't block me from making my moves. I got a spark inside me that can't be refused. I was locked inside the jail, but I broke up loose. Now it's back to business. I came here to do. Yeah, but wanna know about my war stories.
Hey, out.